And just like that, we're in the dark, you guys. They cut the power again.
I really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. I'm so into it.
Hey you guys, and what's up? Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 2. Say hi! Vlogmas Day 2, you guys. If you are new here, hello and welcome to you. I'm Anissa, and this is my little Bugger Island. Welcome to our channel, you guys. We hope that you consider subscribing to our channel, and if you do, go ahead and hit that notification bell so you know every time that we upload. So you guys, for Vlogmas Day 2, we're gonna do kind of like a clean and decorate with us. We are going to be cleaning up this house because it is a mess, y'all, a hot mess. There's toys all over the floor. I need to mop the floors, everything. So we're gonna clean up, and then we are going to be decorating for Christmas finally. We're gonna pull everything out for our Christmas decor. We're gonna put the tree up, but we are gonna wait for Ryan to get home from work to decorate it. So yeah, you guys, we're pretty excited. I'm gonna go over the DIYs that I did with you in Vlogmas Day 1. I'm gonna show you how everything came out. It came out so cute. But yeah, you guys, let's get right into the vlog. Say, let's get into the vlog.
Yeah. It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside, 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 outside. It's cold outside, outside, outside. Cold outside.
Okay, you guys, so we just finished cleaning up and pulling out the Christmas decor. I know it looks like a hot mess already with Ryland's toys and stuff like that, but she just woke up from her nap. So there's toys all over the place, but anyway. Hey. Here, let mommy scoot over for you. You wanna get in? Here. Say hey, guys. So I wanted to show you guys the DIYs that I did. The first one that I did was a picture hanger. I think it came out so good. I used acrylic paints for the ho ho ho. I created a stencil on my Cricut Maker to do that, and I just stenciled it on and painted that on there. And I just grabbed a random piece of fabric that I had left over from my sewing machine, and I created a picture hanger. I was so shocked, but they had these little woods at Hobby Lobby, so I just grabbed 2 packs of them for $2.99 a piece, and I put some magnets on them and stuck them together, and I wood stained them. So this is the original color of it, and I stained it this color. And then I grabbed, yes baby? And then I just grabbed some, I believe it's called some jut cord, and I just tied it along piece of wood, and I created a hanger, a picture hanger. I thought that was so cute. Yes baby? Tell me what you think down in the comments below. I'm very, very pleased and happy with it. I think it came out fabulous, but let me know down in the comments below what you think. I know a lot of you have been wanting to see my Nutcrackers, so let me show you how they came out. I'm very happy with my Nutcrackers as well. I think they are perfect. So here is my first one. This is the darkest Nutcracker that I painted. This is the second one. He's more of like a chocolate brown. This is espresso. This is like, was this chocolate? No. Okay, so this one was espresso and this was earth tone brown. This one of them was considered chocolate, and I was like, that is not chocolate. Okay, it was this one. This one was considered to be chocolate, and I really don't think it is chocolate. It's more of like, it has like a red undertone to it, and I wouldn't consider that one to be chocolate, but they considered that one chocolate. This one was a moccasin brown. I love this one. Okay, this brown is so pretty, so nice. I love it. I'm trying to find something else that I can use it for, honestly, but I love that brown. The next one I did was a honey brown, so it's like a lighter shade. And then my very last one I did, if you watched my skull planner tutorial, the boho Halloween tutorial, I used this color on one of my skulls and I absolutely loved it. So I'm probably gonna be using it for a lot more things, but this is the shade Skin Tone. I love it, I love it, I love it. I think they came out perfect. They're not your classic ordinary Nutcrackers. Right? Wait. They're not your classic ordinary Nutcrackers. They're very different, boho, neutral tone vibes, and my daughter will know all of these skin tones on these Nutcrackers as she's growing up to be considered beautiful. The next thing I did was a Rudolph, but it's not red-nosed reindeer. It's more of like a neutral nose reindeer so that it would match our theme. But I thought this was so, so cute. I used my espresso, baby. Do you like it? Is it cute? Ah, it's cute. You see the nose? I used my espresso to paint on the antlers and the eyelashes, both eyelids, and then I created a pom-pom for the nose with one of my pom-pom makers out of yarn, and I think this came out so cute. I'm actually considering making a pom-pom garland with this yarn because I love this yarn. It's good quality yarn and I love the color of it. This is the color khaki and I picked it up from Hobby Lobby. I'll have it linked down below. I don't know the brand of it off the top of my head, but I will definitely have it linked down below for you guys. And the very last thing I did, if you watched our shop vlog where we shop for Christmas decor, you saw most of these items in our haul, but this tray was very, very light and I stained it with that early American wood stain, and I think it came out perfect for our kitchen counter to put some of our decor on. I'm like so excited to get into this decorate, you guys. Can't wait until Ryan gets home and we can do our thing with the tree. And just like that, we're in the dark, you guys. They cut the power again. This is crazy, okay? Insane, like they're overdoing it now. Raylan's sleeping. Little baby. So there goes decorating for Christmas. I guess we'll see you guys tomorrow.